Make a great choice today with the 2018 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.